Hi! Welcome to another Cara Co tutorial. Let's add some shimmer to your Christmas tree. Today we're showing you how to make your own beaded snowflake ornament using our exclusive metal snowflakes and beautiful acrylic beads. All the written instructions can be found on our website as well as all the supplies needed. Let's get crafting. To make your own beaded snowflake ornament, you will need a metal snowflake or ornament blank, round nose pliers, length of ribbon for hanging, assortment of small acrylic beads. Make sure you check the description box below for the complete list of beads we use. Taking your acrylic beads, determine the pattern you want for each spoke of your snowflake. We suggest starting with 2 small 4mm beads, arranging your beads in size from small to large near the ends. Leave approximately a 1/4 inch on the end of your metal spoke. Taking your pliers, grip the very tip of the metal spoke. Holding the beads and wire straight with your other hand, twist your pliers to bend the tip into a circle. Twist the tip back on itself, ensuring that it is touching the straight metal spoke, or the last bead of your design. This rounded metal end will keep the beads from coming off. Repeat the same pattern on the remaining spokes until your entire snowflake is complete. Taking your ribbon, either hot glue it on your ornament or loop it through one of the metal loops to hang. Tie a bow at the length you prefer and trim your ends. These beaded snowflakes are such a beautiful handmade ornament, and we know you'll love making them for your friends and family as gifts. Make sure you make one for yourself too. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you also head to our YouTube page for more crafting inspiration. Happy crafting!